What's up, guys? It's your boy Hendrix Forbes, and the future is here. The Terminators are here. The killer robots are finally here. They've made it. It's in the progress of being fucking shipped. They're gonna fight in the war in the Ukraine. They got the Terminator fighting in the Ukraine war. This is where we at. Let's watch the video, guys. Y'all about to see what I'm about to see. I couldn't believe it. But this is where we at. They're about to deploy humanoid robots to fight in the Ukraine war. Watch this shit, guys.
Microsoft's AI CEO, Mustafa Suleyman, is predicting most white-collar tasks could be automated within 12 to 18 months. He says that the shift is already visible in software engineering, as AI has already transformed the work. Humanoid robots emerging as the future of warfare. The U.S. accelerating AI integration into combat operations.
Wow.
San Francisco-based Foundation Future Industries is developing humanoid robots built specifically for military use. The company is also scaling commercial deployment across the country in manufacturing, including in the auto sector.
Look at that. The first official Terminator is here. Look at that shit. This is gonna be the thing that kills your daddy, bruh. This is gonna be the thing that fights in the war. It's how you're killing your people. You're gonna be fighting against that shit. What's gonna happen when they start putting this in the police force, man? They're gonna come knocking at your door, looking for some shit in your house, and you're gonna have a robot at the door, man. Lethally armed with a gun. You can't even fight that thing. It's way too strong. This is a fucking Terminator here, bruh. Stuff like this. This is where AI is going. Robotics and AI. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next 5 years, man. But it's looking crazy. It's looking crazy.
Thank you so much for being here. First, let me get your reaction to what you heard from the Microsoft AI CEO, that all those jobs are turning to automation. You also have the CEO of Anthropic, Dario, who also made a similar comment. He said, and he's probably like the most safety-focused CEO in the AI industry. He says AI will eliminate 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs within 1 to 5 years. Your reaction?
It seems like increasingly more and more any kind of work that humans do today that is repetitive.
Wow.
Anything that does not require high amounts of intellectual skill set, or even things that require high amounts of intellectual skill set but can be learned with a lot of data. All of those jobs are potentially going away, and all of them would be automated with humanoids or other forms of robots. I don't think there's a way to stop all of the AI development unless everybody decides to stop at the same time. China would not decide to stop.
Wow.
US, for that reason, would not decide to stop. So this is an inevitable shift in how our economy is going to work and how humanity is going to work.
Your business, because Foundation striking a U.S. brokered agreement with Ukraine to deploy humanoid robots for surveillance, logistics, and other high-risk operations.
Wow.
These 5'9" Phantom units capable of carrying more than 40 pounds, designed to operate in dangerous environments. That's the kind of robot I like to see, because you would rather put a machine into harm's way than an individual. Sanket, tell us more about this collaboration and what's possible when you look at AI related to the military.
Humanoids will have one of the most profound effects. There are 3 big use cases that we're looking at, not only with Ukraine, but also with the Department of War within the US. The first use case is just logistics work, so being able to move things around, supply pickup. Now, in Ukraine, what happens is when soldiers leave a building to go and do supply pickup, there are drones that shoot at them. So it's better to send it's better to send humanoids out versus human soldiers, because they can essentially do these tasks just fine. And if they get shot, there's less of a concern. The second kind of task that we've been asked to do is around pretty much inspection, repair, maintenance. So that is also not a weaponized task, but a task that is all the logistics work that happens behind the scenes.
This is insane, guys. This is where we at. Robots are going to help the people at the wars in Ukraine, bro. This is becoming a robot war now. Wow. I would have never thought that this would be possible in 2026. That's how fast we moving. And you gotta update your mind, update your software. Shit's real out here. can happen. Your job is not safe. Nothing is safe. And I hope everybody's ready, man, because this is gonna be a really big change, a really big step. So you just gotta evolve. You gotta be ready with the times, and you gotta be ready to shift your mindset, guys. Stop being trapped in outdated era. Stop thinking that things are gonna be the same. In 20 years time, most of the jobs are gonna be operated by robots, and you just gotta find in where you're gonna fit in, guys. So what do I think about it? Honestly, I'm loving that robots are starting to be integrated, man. It's gonna make life a lot easier for us. And I feel like it's just moving forward. We gotta progress, bruh. As humans, we gotta progress. That's at the core of our existence, guys. So this is insane. And like I said at the start, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications on for my latest updates. I'm out.